The University of Cincinnati Cancer Center announced it's opening the newest all-in-one facility dedicated solely to advancing research, treatment, and wellness for blood cancer patients.
And today we're getting a little more insight into the future of cancer care and UC Health's unique approach.
Clinical trials are studies of new cancer treatments. New drugs are tested in clinical trials. There can also be existing drugs that are tested in newer methods, newer regimens, newer schedules. The goal overall remains simple: to improve the outcomes of patients with cancer.
If a patient enrolls on a clinical trial, they have access to groundbreaking research, new drugs that can hopefully improve the chances of them beating the cancers. We're the only academic health center in the region, and that allows our clinical doctors to work with our bench scientists to really bring advances in the laboratory to the patient's bedside.
The experience with a clinical trial was fabulous. The clinical trial consisted of taking oral medication 3 times a day, in addition to, on top of what the standard of care is.
Clinical trials are safe because they are very, very carefully conducted. Doctors, nurses, research coordinators, pharmaceutical company sponsors, medical monitors, auditors, a lot of people are involved to make sure that the patient does not experience any untoward side effects.
They were really monitoring me very, very closely, so I felt that I was getting VIP treatment by being on the trial, and that they were watching me very, very carefully.
We are very excited about the Blood Cancer Healing Center building. It will be a state-of-the-art building, one of the first of its kind, a one-stop shop for all care that a cancer patient might need. Standard care, cutting-edge care, clinical trials, access to new treatments, supportive care, survivorship care, etc.
We have patients who are in the same building as survivors and researchers working together to make progress against blood cancers. Dr. John Bird, the World Authority on Blood Cancers, will be the medical director of the Blood Cancer Healing Center, working with the University of Cincinnati Cancer Center to deliver state-of-the-art care for patients in our region and our nation.
We've performed and continue to perform several groundbreaking clinical trials. Proton therapy trial, which is a new way of doing radiation. Cell therapy trials in solid tumors. A vaccine trial in pancreas cancer. We are the only site in the Midwest to offer that. Clinical trials provide patients hope. They provide us hope as well that we can hopefully improve cure rates, improve treatment outcomes, reduce side effects, improve the quantity and quality of life for patients with cancer.